On the new request screen, select banking information from the checks list. Then choose the information you require. You can include balances as well as a transaction history time period. Then send the request much like any other Amicus check in your preferred format. When completing the check, your clients will be presented with guidance on banking information. This will include an explanation of open banking technology and a detailed breakdown of what data is shared. They will then be asked to connect to their relevant banking providers to meet your requirements. This is completed through our FCA-regulated supplier, TrueLayer. Once they've chosen their banking provider, they are redirected to complete their usual online banking login process. This information cannot be viewed or stored by Amicus or any other third party. They will then be asked to confirm the accounts they wish to share. The selected information is pushed to Amicus through an encrypted connection, and once connected, the banking provider appears in the list with an option to add another banking provider or submit the check and complete the request. Within your client's profile, you will see the banking information results. You can select an account they have shared and then filter the transactions by type, amount, or other specific search criteria. And you can export the data if required.